In the previous video, you learned that the sun radiates energy and solar PV technology converts light energy into electricity. So, how much radiation do we receive? Let us see how much solar radiation we receive on a bright sunny day. While solar energy coming from space reaches us, it has to travel long distance through the atmosphere, where some of the solar radiation reaching us gets deflected by clouds, dust particles, etc. on its way, and some solar radiation gets absorbed by aerosols, ozone, etc., forming a greenhouse effect. On a good sunny day, we receive around 1000 watt solar radiation per square meter of the Earth's surface. So, what are the factors that affect solar irradiation? These are latitude, seasons, cloudy weather, dust, and time of day. Latitude and season affect the angle at which sun rays are incident. Dust and cloud can block the radiation. Time of day also affects the angle of the sun. In the next video, you will learn how different scientists describe the different types of radiation.